Hello, today we are going to solve some questions from UGC NET Paper 1. So let's see our first question. It says that which one of the following conferences or summits is also known as UN Conference on Sustainable Development or UNCSD? And we are given four options and we need to find the correct one. So the first option is the Stockholm Conference of 1972 or the 1992 Rio de Janeiro Conference or Johannesburg Conference of 2002 or the Rio Plus 20 Conference of 2012. And the correct answer is the Rio Plus 20 Conference 2012. It is also known as UN Conference on Sustainable Development. Okay, now come to the next question. So this is the next question. Here we are asked that in the formation of surface ozone, which of the following do play an important role? And we are given four options with their oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, sunlight and carbon monoxide. Now we have to choose the correct answer from these given four options. Okay. In formation of surface ozone, oxides of nitrogen, sunlight and carbon monoxide play vital role. Okay, therefore the correct answer is option C. So C is the correct answer. Okay, now check another question. So this is the next question. Here we are asked to convert this binary number to decimal number. So first we write the binary number. We know that the base of a binary number is 2 and we need to convert it to a decimal number, that means a number with base 10. We know that in a decimal number we only take 0 to 9. Okay, now how can we convert this? We convert the number 1100110 in this way, that is 0 multiplied by 2, that is the base, to the power 0, because the first 0 is in the 0th position. Then we multiply 1 with 2 to the power 1, that is the position of this 1. Then again 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 0 to the power 3 plus 0 to the power 4 plus 1 to the power 5 and lastly 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 6. Okay, therefore we get here 64 plus 32 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. Therefore the answer will be 102. Okay, hence the correct answer is option A. Option A is the correct option. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.